Now that we know our topic and its individual concepts, it's time for the next step in literature searching, choosing the databases for our search. For our topic of the effects of mindfulness-based interventions when it comes to burnout and compassion fatigue among healthcare professionals, PubMed, PsycInfo, and CINAHL are likely to be useful databases to search. The PubMed database contains more than 32 million citations and abstracts of biomedical literature. It's usually a first stop for any health sciences literature search. PsycInfo is a database of journal articles, book chapters, dissertations, and other sources from the American Psychological Association. I think it would be a useful database for this search because mindfulness-based interventions, burnout, and compassion fatigue are all topics that are often discussed in psychological and mental health literature. And then CINAHL is a comprehensive nursing and allied health research database that includes over 4,300 indexed journals with indexing dating back to 1937. Since burnout and compassion fatigue are concepts often discussed in nursing and allied health journals, I think CINAHL would be a good database to search for this topic. To find databases, go to the library's homepage, library.uams.edu, and check out our library quick links. This page includes our top used resources like PubMed and CINAHL databases. You can also access our A to Z digital resources from here, or you can access the A to Z Digital Resources site from the Start Your Search menu of the library's homepage. From this A to Z Databases site, you can access and see descriptions for databases by browsing, looking for a particular database by name using the alphabet feature here, searching for a database by subject, type, provider, or name using these boxes, or you can quickly see our most popular databases here on the left. The descriptions for databases provided here will help inform your decision on whether or not this is a good database for your search topic. Searching by subject in this field here is also useful for that. We at the library usually recommend searching PubMed, a broad biomedical database, for most literature searches conducted by UAMS students. However, you'll also likely want to search one or two additional databases to ensure that your search is comprehensive. Here are some general tips on choosing which additional databases to use for your literature search. Firstly, think about your topic. So some databases index literature from a wide variety of subject areas, and then others are more specific to a particular subject area. If you're working on a multidisciplinary topic, you might want to search in a database that covers a wide variety of subjects. Whereas if your research topic is highly specific, you'll want to find databases that are specific to that subject area. You'll also want to consider the types of literature in which you're interested when choosing databases for searching. Most of the databases provided by the UAMS library that you can find in our A to Z digital resources list will include citations for journal articles. Some might also include gray literature like reports, working papers, conference abstracts, presentations, dissertations, and government documents. Some databases will also include books, medical images, practice guidelines, and more. And then there's some databases that are very specific to a certain publication type, like the Cochrane Database of Systematic Reviews or the Cold Spring Harbor Protocols database. So keep in mind what type of literature you want to find when choosing a database. Another great resource for helping determine what database to choose for literature searches are the library's subject guides. So from the library's homepage, choose Subject Guides under the Resource Guides tab, and then look for your relevant area. Each of these guides will include information on the most commonly used databases for students in these fields.